Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to find and save a Spotlight collection on Windows 11. In case you have enabled a Spotlight features on your Windows 11 machine, then it pulls attractive images from Bing search engine and then set it as your wallpaper on your desktop. For example, I have enabled Spotlight images as desktop background, and you can see this image has been pulled from Bing search engine, and you will also get an extra icon by right clicking on this one. You can choose from one of the four desktop backgrounds that will immediately switch to your desktop. If you want to know more about this, you can click on this one, learn more link. It will take you up to the Bing search engine, and there you will find details about the images. Now let me proceed further to how to save. This saves a Spotlight images in this one path. You can find in this video description. I will provide the link of the article that describes about this one path and all about that. After just copy and paste in the run command and click on this one OK button. This will open the folder where it exists. Click anywhere within the folder, press Ctrl A, then Ctrl C to copy all this file, then create a new folder, separate folder. For example, I create it at the desktop. Paste all these images that you have copied in new folder that you have just created. Then you can rename by selecting the image, clicking on the rename option, go to the end of the file, press dot, and then put here extension as JPG or PNG and then press enter. This will immediately change the thumbnail, and by double clicking on this one image you can view this attractive picture on your PC, or if you want you can share also. In case you want to rename these images at once, then right click on the free space and select here open in terminal option. It should open in command prompt. In case it opens in PowerShell, then I will provide uh, article link in this description that will let you set command prompt as default profile in your terminal app. After that, here on the prompt type ren a space a star dot a star again a space and then a star dot. Here you can type jpg or png and then press enter. This will rename all the files in the selected folder at once. I did something wrong. No, it was right. It was slow. And you can see this all images as now thumbnails, and you can view it by double clicking on any image. Like this, you can save a Spotlight images on your PC for future. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to our channel, Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you are an old customer, you love this video, then kindly share it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.